Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 2 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn compound letters or huruf murakkabat. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel or you still not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this lesson, we will learn what is compound letter in an Arabic accent and how do we pronounce the compound letter in an Arabic accent. What is compound letter? When we join or combine two or more Arabic letters, then we get compound letter. Let's see the example. Here we have two Arabic letters. First is Noon and second is Alif. Noon, Alif. Then we get compound letter. When we join both Arabic letters, then we get this compound letter in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce the compound letter in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the compound letter separately. For example, here we have two Arabic letters, separate letters, Noon and Alif. When we join both letters, then we get compound letter. How do we pronounce compound letter? Let's learn. Noon Alif, Noon Alif, Noon Alif, Noon Alif. We pronounce compound letters separately in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.